Hi guys, look at who we have here today. It's my friend Clarice. I'll be doing box braid on her hair. I'm trying to do some box braid on her hair. I'm really excited. She sat down for me to really try if I can do box braid on her hair. So just stay tuned and watch till the end. So guys, in today's video I'll be doing box braid on my friend natural short hair. I'm really excited she's here with us, sitting down for me to do this box braid, or for me to try doing box braid on her natural hair. You'll be needing your attachment for the box braid. This one is not the box braid or the braiding that you use on your natural hair. I have video that I use my natural hair in doing it, but this we are needing attachment. You're welcome to my channel. It's your girl on Daffy Vivian. Welcome to today's video of box braid using my friend's hair. I'm super excited how it will look like, how the whole process will really look like. So I just stay tuned and watch till the end, seeing how I did this box braid and how it came out. You can rate me, I'm not an expert in hair. I haven't studied hair. I haven't studied how to do hair, like when studying the salon, went to the salon and tried to do hair. No, this one is just something I do normally without learning from anybody. So you can rate me, how does it look like, what you think I should do to better rough the hair. So I'm just excited, Clarice, that you are here today. You gave me your hair for me to do this video, doing this box braid on your hair. So guys, stay tuned, watch till the end, and how rate me, just rate me. What do you think of the box braid? What do you think? How does it look? Just rate me. I'll really be excited to see your scores, your comments, everything. So just stay tuned and watch. See your score. guys, this is how it all looks like. It was a hectic day, like we doing this box braid. It wasn't easy at all. Thank God we finished. This is how it all came out. This is how it looks like. Don't forget to rate us. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share and turn on your notification button. You can check out my other videos on my channel on natural hair, how to take care of your natural hair, how to style your natural hair, and how to do other things on your hair.